Hey guys, looks like I waited too long to come back over here again. I think I was here May the 4th and was planning to come back the week later. So this is the hive that swarmed and hadn't done anything. Well, they might have done a little bit of that super before they swarmed, but I took the empty super off and gave it to another colony. And I came back and this super was completely full. So I harvested 5 frames that were capped and pulled out 5 empty frames and put back in there. And this colony right here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 supers that are almost completely full. You can see right here what it looks like on top. And I can't pull I'm having trouble pulling frames out because they made this one too fat, and then that wasn't any comb on that one, so the one next to it, they made it extra fat. So I don't have a person to hold the camera where I can pull frames out and show you what they look like. But my plan is I'm going to go down, I'm going to set this one off. It may not be quite done, and I'm going to harvest some of these lower supers and then give them a super with foundation. And hopefully they'll still be working, still be strong. I've got some bees upset, so I'm having to wear my veil. So let me get back to work and see what's going on. Well, I will let me open this up and see what's in here. I'll show you what's in here. A lot of bees right here, a lot of bees. So I want to see what these have done. I can't remember. I think I had one empty one here and maybe one that was half finished when I added the last time I was here. So I got to get some smoke under here while I raise this top. So that one, they're running out of space too. They are so running out of space over here. And I'm running out of supers. So I've got to either fix some more frames or extract some honey. So I'm probably going to extract some honey and put some empty frames back on here. I've got a super. I brought with me 2, 3, 4. I brought 4 with me, and there's 5 colonies. I wasn't expecting to need one for that hive that had swarmed, so I gave them a half a super. So I'll pull frames out of probably whichever one's the weakest, or whichever one needs a super the least. I'll pull 4 frames out and put 4 empties back in and give everybody else an empty super. So I got to get busy.